Hi everybody. Well, I just had to do a video this week because gold's gone up 7% just in the week, and it's gone up 25% since July. Since my last video on the 7th of August, it's gone up nearly $200 an ounce. Silver has broken the $40 mark, again closed just over $42 the end of this week, so up 8.5%. And for gold, I would say that we're $2,000 an ounce is round the corner. Silver, $50 an ounce is also around the corner. So I'm getting a lot of people asking me, well, is it too late? Well, I can only tell you that my clients who asked me when gold was 1,200, 13, 1,400, is it too late? I kept saying, no, it's not too late. It's going to go up considerably. And of course, those that have bought are very thankful that they bought. The way I'm seeing it is that the powers that be are not doing anything different. They're printing more money. Unemployment is rising. The prices for essentials is going up, for our food and our essential things is increasing. The value of the dollar or your currencies are decreasing. So what can you do? Gold is the one safe haven that is outside of the economy that you can invest in. And if you don't have a lot of money, then buy some silver. You could at least buy a small amount of silver. So I'm often asked, well, how the hell do you buy gold and silver? If you live in a big city, there should be a bullion dealer near you that you can go visit and go and buy some gold coins or silver coins from physically and have them in your hot little hand. If you don't live in a big city, or you're not comfortable with the bullion dealers in your town or city, then check things out online. Check carefully, because there are some fraudulent companies out there and there are some very decent ones. So make sure you do your due diligence before you part with any of your hard-earned money. I'm also often asked about companies like internet companies like Gold Money and Bullion Vault. And they certainly have a place because they're very liquid. You can trade 24/7. It's very easy to buy and sell your metals with Gold Money and Bullion Vault, and that's the plus side. The minus side is the potential that whenever anybody else is storing your metals, there is always a risk. There was always a risk. There could be a nuclear disaster, there could be an earthquake, the internet could go down. There are all kind of other risks, and you may not in an emergency be able to cash in your metals and get some money or equivalent for them. So those are the risks there, and you have to weigh those up for yourself very carefully as to whether you're a big risk taker, or maybe you want to store, if you're not able to store the gold yourself or with a trusted family member, maybe you'd like to store it maybe with a depository. There are depositories that especially just store precious metals. They don't necessarily trade in those metals, they just store them, which is very different than companies who also trade and store the metals. It's a big subject area, but I just wanted to say I do feel that gold and silver are going to still go up considerably. If you haven't got any, get some, and if you've already got some, get some more. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.